An Autopsy of an Era by Mary Jo Bang. That's how it was then. A knife through cartilage, a body broken. Animal and animal as mineral ash, a window smashed. The collective howl as a general alarm, followed by quiet. Boot black night, halogen hum, tape snaking through a stealth machine. Later, shattered glass and a checkpoint charm. The clasp of a tourist trap bracelet. An arm, a trinket. Snap goes the clamshell. The film in the brain case preserving the sense of the drench, the angle of the leash, the connecting collar, a tracking long shot, the descent of small-town darkness.